Here we go. Say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another video, and today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Happy Thanksgiving to my subscribers. Happy Thanksgiving to my peekaboo people who just be peeking and ain't subscribed yet. Yeah, I'm back today with another video. This was gonna be a real quick one. I'm just coming in to show y'all guys my hair. It's gonna be a coloring video, how I got this color. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's growing on me. I think I really like it. So this is the color. Look, look. Say hey, Tay Tay. Say hi, Tay Tay. Hi. But this is the color. I just wanted to come in and wait. Give y'all a little snippet of this color. I'm gonna put some pictures in. After. Yeah, I know. You can have it in just a minute. After we get out this house. We gotta get out the house. We're trying to get to some family house. So this is the color, guys, and I want y'all to just take a good look at it. I think it's really pretty. It came out really nice. So everything that I use will be in the description bar below. It's real easy. I use Dark and Lovely, 3 different colors, and everything will be linked below. And then I'm gonna give y'all the snippet of the video of me coloring the hair. So this is the hair, and this hair came from UNice hair. This is their Betty U collection. It came in 20 inches. The ends were a little thin for me, so I did cut them. I cut it to about a 16 probably. And the wig is 150 density. I want to say it's 150, but it's still on the thinner side. You see, you guys, it's not super full. So if you like natural looking hair, this is perfect for you. Yeah, so this is it. These are my babies, and I have never put them on. I think Joe has been on, but I don't think the other 2 have been on. But this is Trey, Joe, and baby Tay. Say hello. But yeah, guys, happy Thanksgiving. I hope y'all have a great holiday. Eat a lot of food, gift that. Hey, because you know food makes everybody happy. So yeah, until next time, guys, we will talk to y'all later. Tell them bye, guys.
Bye.
Tell them bye, Tay Tay. All right, talk to y'all later.